Okay, so let's set up the charts for today. We're going to be looking at our closest level of support, resistance. We'll go for this zone here. Then marking up our level of support, we'll go for this area here. What we're going to do is set our sell position around there. Set our buy position around here. Put our Fibonacci tool. So this is our take profit zones. So what we'll be looking at is if we break this level of support, we break through this level of support, we're looking for a reaction. We may hit TP1, get a slight reaction, and then continuation down. That's our ideal scenario if we hit support. If we hit resistance, breakthrough, slight reaction, and get a move up. So that's what we're looking for. So each value here is your take profit zones. So this is, put it in there. So that's your take profit 1. Take profit 2. Take profit 3. Take profit 4. And then take profit 5. And same here. Take profit 1. Take profit 2. Take profit 3. Take profit 4. Take profit 5. So there are take profit zones that we'll be looking at. Because there's nothing above here, we've got our closest level of resistance here, this zone here. So I personally will be looking to get out potentially around a take profit 3, because we may get a reaction of that area there. So if we come through, if we do break through our resistance level, we may get a pullback of this zone, and then we may get a reversal off that. So I'll be looking at potentially closing in a take profit 3 for this session. If we do break through that and close above, so if we do get a 5-minute close above this zone here, then we can hold the take profit 5. I'll be holding the take profit 5. And then same here. Now there's a little bit messy this zone here. So if we do get a breakthrough, a resistance level, we could get a potential reaction off this level here, and then we could get a reversal off that level there. If not, if we don't get faked out, if we don't just come in, enter our trade and get completely faked out straight away, then we could potentially look at, if we break past this level here, then our next level of resistance is all the way down here. We do have an imbalance here. We have a slight imbalance there. So if we do break past this level TP1, I'll be potentially looking at holding to TP4 on that one. So see how we go. What we don't want is we don't want this to cross over. We're at 2 minutes and 40 seconds to the open. We really don't want this to cross over before then, because I don't want to enter the trade before the actual open itself. So we'll cancel that order. So that's what we're looking at. So if we do cross below this level within the next 2 minutes, then I'll move my support zone down to around there. We're looking at that as the new support zone, depending how this candle closes. So now we sit and we wait. We could potentially come down to this level now. Yep. So this level now has created a new resistance level. So I will come down to that level now. That's our new resistance. That's what we're looking at. Perfect. We'll come back down. Close that. Just got to set up my chart on my account. And then we'll look at it. Something like that. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. We'll break through this zone here. Hopefully we get a nice push to at least this level. Slight retrace. And a TP5 would be nice. But we'll see how that goes. We need it to stay below this line in the next 25 seconds, which it looks like it might. That's looking good. We'll keep our sell position where it is. We'll keep our buy position there. Everything's looking good. And now we wait. Just got to set mine up quickly. All right, we are on. What I've done here, if in the next 5-10 minutes, if we don't break this zone, or we don't break our resistance level or our support level, I've just put this as a buy stop order in, and I've put a sell stop order in, and I will be setting a take on the buy stop order. I'll be setting a take profit of TP2 because of this zone here, that zone there. Well, I don't know why that's not working. So because of this zone there, I know I'll probably be setting it at TP1 if I walk away. So if I walk away and let this play out, I'll set my take profit at TP1. And same for this level here. Okay, we haven't quite into that trade yet. All right, we're on now. So let's see how this plays out. It's just tapped us in. It's looking like it wants to reverse. If we do get stopped out on this one, I'll be looking at removing this level to here. So we might have come in just a little bit aggressive there. So if we do get stopped out, we'll move to this support level here. I mean resistance level there, and then we'll go again from that level. But this is looking like a good bullish candle. If that just keeps pushing, that's great. All right, TP1 hit. So you can close your position off there. Heading towards TP2. Bang. TP2 hit. Now this one looks like it's going to keep moving. It's very, very, very bullish. So we'll go to hit a TP3 potentially. So it plays out. So I closed my order at TP2. So now what I'm going to do is close my sell position off. So I won't hold that position open now. Actually, yeah. So that's it. So I'm out at TP2. This looks like it's going to continue though. There's a lot of buying power. Depends how this candle closes. If this candle will need to close at least above a TP2 now. I'll need it to close up here for confluence that it's going to continue up. but it does look like there's a lot of buying pressure there. So we are looking good for hitting a potentially a TP5, but I've closed off the TP2, so I'm out now. I'm out of that trade. If we close above here, this level now, this is a very, very bullish momentum candle, so it's looking good. So if we close above this level right here, this candle closes in 1 minute and 20 seconds, and I'd be looking at potentially we're going to hit a TP5. Keeping in mind we do have this zone here, which is just above our TP5 level, so we should be good if this candle closes strong, which it looks like it's going to. We should be good to be hit a TP5. Which, if you had a $100,000 funded account, risking 1%, each take profit is $1,000. So that'd be $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 if you have a $100,000 funded account. That was a nice move. Very nice move. See how this candle closes now. Alright, so the next candle's open. It's closed above there. It's closed very bullish above that. So we might get a slight pullback on this candle. I would expect to get a slight pullback on that. It's going to continue up, it looks like. But usually we get a slight pullback, create this bottom wick, which you can see these bottom wicks here, and then continue up. But there's a lot of, it looks like there's a lot of buying power. So TP4 hit. So there's our pullback, creating that bottom wick, and now we should be continuing up from here to at least this zone here. So we should at least be hitting that zone there. But it looks like it's going to potentially break through that zone. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Still looks like it wants to push. We still should get a pretty decent push, I reckon. We've got 3 more minutes till this candle closes. And then we'll see how we go from there. So I like to set and forget. I'm not going to sit here all day watching this candle and see we hit take profit 5. So we've hit TP4. I'm going to walk away and we'll come back in maybe 10-15 minutes. I'll come back and see where we're at to see whether we've hit a TP5 or not. See you soon. All right, done. TP5 hit. Beautiful Beautiful trading day this morning. There you have it, TP5 hit. We've got a nice reaction exactly off this zone here. We may get a pullback now, so the next candle may close bearish, the next 5-minute candle. But other than that, that's a perfect trading day. So we're back again tomorrow and see how we go. See you then.